everyone, today let's follow me to the Cameron Flora Park, one of the most beautiful places to visit in Cameron Highlands. To get to this attraction, you need to go to the Flora Park parking. I have put the Google Maps link below for your reference. And from here, you will be picked up by a truck. The return trip is included in the price of the entrance ticket. For the parking, it cost me around 6 ringgit for less than 2 hours. The ticket costs 50 ringgit per person. You can buy it from the link in the description below or at the ticket counter. So what's inside Cameron Flora Park? There are two sections inside Cameron Flora Park, indoor and outdoor. The indoor area is just in front of the entrance. Here you can see plenty of flowers on the ground, on the wall or hung from the ceiling. Besides, there are 2 or 3 small cafes inside the indoor area, so you can spend some time here as well. However, personally, I prefer the cafe in the outdoor area, which offers a spectacular view of the whole park. From my experience, I spent around half an hour exploring the whole indoor area. If you want a more private experience, you can book their picnic package or the Flora Hobbit House tea set. The booking can be done via their website. What you are seeing right now is a Flora Hobbit House. This is where you can enjoy a luxury afternoon tea for 2 hours. There are 2 timings in a day, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. For the picnic set, it's not always available and depends on the season. As you can see, when I visit this park, it's off the season, so it's not that beautiful. Now let's go to my favorite part, which is the outdoor area. Personally, I think it's way better to take photos in this area thanks to the dim light setting and the sunlight, making your pictures so dazzling. However, the entire area is a hill and it's quite tiring to hike up to the top. So I don't recommend this area if you accompany the elderly or kids. At the hilltop, there is a cafe called the View Cafe. Here you can enjoy the view of the whole park. The price is actually quite expensive, but it's totally understandable because their operational cost is high. I ordered a piece of strawberry Oreo cheesecake and 1 strawberry Pinky Tinky. Both of them taste really good. The strawberry is fresh and sweet, and the total damage was 41 ringgit. And here are things you need to bear in mind when visiting the Cameron Flora Park. First of all, remember to keep the tickets until the end, as they will check them before you get on the drop-off truck. Secondly, try to visit the park as early as possible to avoid the crowd. Third, The park is not wheelchair user friendly as there are so many stairs to climb. And fourth, cafes and toilets are available everywhere in the park. Alright, so that's all I want to share about the Cameron Flora Park. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.